Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. 2025 is already starting with a bang as Oukitel announced the rugged phone with the biggest battery in the world. It's a humongous 33,000 mAh battery on a rugged phone, which is absolutely ridiculous. Oukitel at the CES 2025 will be showcasing its latest rugged smartphone, the Oukitel WP100 Titan. This powerhouse device boasts an array of impressive specifications, but its show-stopping features are obviously the 33,000 mAh battery and its built-in projector. Energizer P28K was the phone with the biggest battery last year, followed by Unihertz Tank 3 Pro, but it seems Oukitel have decided to release a Powerbank with rugged phone attached to it this year. Currently, details about the WP100 Titan are still scarce, but according to information released so far, the WP100 Titan will be equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, providing seamless performance and efficient power management. The rugged phone will support 5G networks for fast connectivity, with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS storage, for a lag-free experience. The 33,000 mAh battery of the WP100 Titan can be fast charged at 66 watts, and it will be running on either Android 14 or Android 15. Additionally, there will be Bluetooth 5.2 and a big camp light at the back. However, like the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro, the WP100 Titan also has a built-in projector, which enables users to project high-quality images and videos onto any surface, and Oukitel has made some bold claims about this projector, but I guess we will find out very soon. While pricing and availability details are not available yet, but I will keep you updated concerning this. There is also going to be a Oukitel WP200 according to the information released, which will be the first rugged phone with 24 GB of RAM and 2 TB of internal storage. I will address this in separate video once I get more information. Just make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you like rugged devices like smartphone, smartwatches, tablets and more, so you won't miss updates like this and reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.